Hi and welcome to my channel, Quin Tyre. Thanks to those who've subscribed and who have watched the videos. I do thank you for watching and I hope you've enjoyed them. I thought I'd do a quick introduction on this video so you can see the face behind the company and the videos. We are a tyre company based in Telford, Shropshire, or near Telford. We specialise in the JCB 3CX and we will travel to Cheshire, Staffordshire, West Midlands, all over Shropshire. The main work that we do with the 3CX is site investigation work, control pits, do a bit for forestry companies and agricultural companies clearing land, concrete breaking for tarmacking, and also quite a bit of work for farmers. And we're doing that today. I'm working on a local farm not too far from where we're based, repairing some of their farm tracks. Obviously with such a wet winter we've had and a wet spring, most of the ground and the tracks have rutted up and they're catching the bottom of the tractors and the quad cars, I can't remember what they're called, that they travel around in. So join me today. I'm going to do a quick video and watch us try and repair them and make them better.